Hi guys, how are you? Are you all ready for round two? Somebody told me the razor we're using today, I'll show it you now, the Merkur 23C. Somebody told me that is the closed comb version of the 25C we used the other day. If you know any different or any more, please let me know in the comments below. But that's what we're using, the Merkur 23C, very kindly gifted to me from France over there in the Netherlands. Hi and thank you, Franz. Here, we've gone on, what website is this? Agent Shaving, I think it is, if you're in the UK. There it is there, can you see it? It just says Merkur 23C DE close comb safety razor. Overall length 105mm. The handle length is 85mm. 20mm. That can't be right, can it? Is it? Yeah, okay. Alright, that just sounded really odd then. Yeah, so the handle length 85mm, the weight is 60 grams, and it comes in a Merkur gift box. Absolutely beautiful looking razor, beautiful to hold. And what we're going to be putting in that today is a Rise blade, Rise stainless, out of the box. There it is, Rise. I'll just open that and show you. You see it there, Rise stainless razor. Used these ones before and from memory they were okay. We'll get this blade in there. There you go. We'll put that on there. How is everybody doing? I've not put the brush into soak, have I? There you go. A little bit of overhang. There you go. Check that out there. Sitting absolutely spot on. Good looking razor. We'll put that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. Yeah, okay. The brush we're going to be using today, here it is. The Extra Cosmesi, the Italian. Ciao bambino. There you go. 26mm, lovely soft knot, nice bit of backbone, but soft tips on that. We'll get that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. Along with that razor, we'll get some moisture on those fibres. Okay, soap we're going to use today, also sent by Franz. Here it is, Proraso Red. That's the tub he sent it to me in. But look, it smells good. No Proraso Red. You know me, I'm a big fan of these tubs. If you go to, what's it called now, Poundland, and there's another one I think it's called Savers, and they have coconut scented hand cream for like less than £1. That's the tub that it comes in. Absolutely wonderful. I took it out, I pressed it into there. Oh guys, it smells absolutely wonderful. It's got shea butter and sandalwood oil. We'll talk a little bit more about this in a minute. So that's the soap we're going to be using. I already had the matching splash. Thank you very much, Franz. That smells delicious. So he's sending me the soap. Actually ended up getting me the full set. And here we go, eBay special. Gabri, that's a huge, that was something like £6 that, guys. Gabri Fresh Face Aftershave Cream Cologne. This smells just like the barber's shop I used to get my hair cut in as a child. A lovely, wonderful, cheap cologne. A nice but cheap cologne. And that whiff you get when you go in the barbers of Barbicide and talcum powder and aftershave and cologne. It's lovely, lovely, well worth the money. I've used it, but that's a big old honking big tub we're going to be balming up with that. So I'll wet the face, we'll crack on, and we'll have a chat about this razor and Proraso sandalwood. Oh, not long in from work. It is treacherous out there, guys. It's dark, it's torrential rain, blowing a gale. We're just in the bedroom there to come in here, and the trees were bending and the rain was blowing that way. Absolutely horrific. but I like it when it's like that outside and you sit in your apartment all warm and cosy watching the world go by. I do, I actually like that. Okay, so here we go. I put it in this pot. Let me know what you think about the pot shift. Honestly, I get so much stick. I like these pots. Thank you, Franz. We'll go straight. Every time I've ever had Proraso, it's soft, very soft. Scent strength, I would put it about 5 out of 10. Every time I've had it, the very first shaving cream I ever had, soap I ever had was Proraso Green. Absolutely love the stuff. Yeah, straight on there. We'll gather it up onto the brush, and then we'll see if we can create a load on the face. Now, oh, it smells fantastic. Do you know what, guys? Dare I say it? And I'll probably get stick for this. I actually prefer the scent of Proraso sandalwood to tubs. I've got tubs and I like them both, don't get me wrong, I like them both. But I must just have really cheap tastes or something. Because the tub sandalwood, to me, it smells overly sweet, overly sickly. Very, very pungent, very, very light and flowery, very light. Oh yeah, very, very powdery. Whereas I've said it before about Proraso, and I'll say it again, this sandalwood that's in Proraso Red, the best way I can describe it, guys, is it's just a lot earthier. Feels a lot more solid, a lot, just like a basic sandalwood scent, a very nice scent, but there'd be no ambiguity with it. There doesn't seem anything else. It doesn't irritate, you know. Not that tubs does. I'm getting this all wrong, but tubs can be a bit overly flowery, powdery. Right, we'll leave it there. Come on, let's have a ding dang do. 23C. Here we go. Now, I've never used these before, and I watched one video, and in that video the guy said, I think it was Matt Passarsic, you know, I think he said he found the open comb a bit more aggressive. Well, I can tell you right now, right off the bat, that to me feels more aggressive than 25C. It does. I like the 25C, it was very, very mild. Franz made a very good point when I said it wasn't really a close, I suppose really I was comparing it to the likes of a Mule R41, the shouldn't have done really. But it does actually say on their website, because they've got to cater for all tastes, haven't they? And it does actually say on their website, it's catered for people who are taking down a couple of weeks growth, you know. So would you really want to go from that to absolute BBS in 1 or 2 passes? The razor wasn't designed for it, was it? But they're both quality razors. They're both absolutely beautiful looking, and I'm glad I've got them. Now, I'm hoping the other razor that Franz sent me, they sent me 3 or 5, just the barber pole and these 2. I've got one more that Franz sent me. And when it came, I messaged Franz and I said to Franz, Franz, did you do this? Because the reason for that was, let's be honest guys, if you live in the UK, well, okay, let's take it back a minute. Somebody sent me something from the United States of America. And the Royal Mail Customs Office in London, this is true story, Royal Mail Customs Office in London, opened it, went through everything, placed a value on it, and then charged me a customs charge. Absolute true story. I've never heard the likes of it. It's absolutely flat. And when I got it, Dennis O'Drea, he boxed everything up, and when I got it, it just looked like once they'd valued, they just sort of like went and threw it back in the box, taped it up, and sent it on. They made a right pig's ear of it. So, anyway, keeping that in mind, the Royal Mail didn't do this with Fran's package, but I thought they had. When I seen the other razor, I'm not saying anything, you see, 'cause I've got a little video coming up. I thought that something. I'll be honest. I thought they'd thought it was we were trying to smuggle gold or something. I don't know. But anyway, Fran said he did it for a specific reason. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to give the video away. But I've done something, Franz. Oh, do you know, Fran, if you don't like it, Franz, please don't fall out with me. Please don't judge me. Honestly, I've just done something. I thought it was a great opportunity. It was something I had in mind to do with one of my razors anyway. And when I seen the one Franz sent me, I thought, yeah, okay. The time is now. So if it's ready, and it may well be, I've got to finish it off tomorrow and Thursday maybe. And then if it's ready, we're going to use it in a special Saturday shave. You're all asking, aren't you? Why is this Saturday shave special, John? Well, it's my 400th upload to YouTube since I started this channel. 400 videos. They haven't all been shaving videos, but I never said that they all would be. Nor did I want them to be, nor did I expect them to be. It was all about shaving and shaving related product, reviewing, talking about, showing, you know. I know I've had the odd comment, not on my video and not in my comment section, but I've seen other YouTube wet shavers just making comments about how their channel is wonderful because all they've ever done is shaving videos. You know, that's what you want. You know, brilliant. If that's your thing, you go for it. This is primarily a shaving channel, but it was never, ever, only a shaving channel. Even the great Flash Boredom. If Flash, come back if you're out there, I love Flash Boredom. Even the great Flash Boredom, he started the phrase, didn't you remember? Non-shaving shaving videos. He started that. Long before I had my channel, I was watching Flash's non-shaving shaving videos. Right, guys. They're the usual suspects. But I've got to say, I don't know if it's psychosomatic. That handle's very grippy because my handles are very slippy. My hands, not him. Can you hear that? I would imagine, you know. This to me, yeah. This is very, very clearly. Yeah, very clearly to me and very definitely a closer shave than I got with that close comb, open comb. To me, but if you look at what they say on the website and what the razors were designed for, I think 3 or 4 shaves with the same razor in a row, get it dialed in, I think both razors would offer up a lovely, well, both of them did offer up a lovely smooth shave. And like I said, I think once you get it dialed in, you're only going to get closer and closer, aren't you? Oh. That. Let's empty that. Here we go. We did okay, didn't we? Hey, that's okay. That's a lot smoother, that's a lot closer. You see, maybe I'm getting dialed in. If they're the same razor with the exact same blade gap and same this, that and the other, maybe it's me second go in, maybe I'm starting to dial it in. I don't know, but that, yeah. I got to a job interview with that. Absolutely wonderful. So here we go, the Proraso. I love this. I love the Proraso red. Absolutely wonderful. So let me know what you think about anything we've discussed in today's video. Oh. Look at that, eh? Caught my hand at work, hand nearly fell off. Oh, people were passing out in the street. Here we go. Oh, look at that lot. There you go. We'll just do one little squirt, like my son David. Right. There you go. Oh, that smells nice. Look, see that? Did I ever tell you what I did? I must explain to you what I did with that finger. Oh my word. And that is us, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for all your support. Thanks to Franz for all these extra things I'm using in these videos and all this extra content. You guys out there, I've been the recipient of so much kindness. So that's what we'll sign off with today. Kindness. And you know, just like love, kindness is easy if it's people that are kind to you. So let's make it a goal at least once this week before the Saturday shave to be kind to somebody that really doesn't deserve it. And then you've been the bigger person, haven't you? Enjoy your week, guys. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. It's getting treacherous out there. And I will see you for a summer shave on a wintry Saturday. Bye.